What's up? Just knocking out the vlog for today because Ben's asleep and this is the only other room in the house because our house is one room studio apartment. So as you can tell, we are, if you've been following the vlog, but you haven't been, I know you haven't because there's nobody following the vlog. But if you started from the beginning somehow, and this is later in life, and you've started watching the vlog, you know that there's a big gap between, a couple months gap, because the GoPro broke because I left it on the roof of the car, and Alyssa drove away with it, and it took them forever to get us a new one, and we live in Hawaii now, and this is our tiny bathroom, tiny shower. Anyways, not super important. We've been living in Hawaii, and we're about to go home in almost exactly a month. So I'll for sure go home with Alyssa, but I might come back here and finish up the project that we're working on out here. And that's about it. It's going to be the update for today because I ran out of time. So there we go.